When we talk about seaports in Nigeria, the first seaports that come to mind are the ones in areas surrounded by water, such as Lagos, Port Harcourt, or Warri in Delta State, and also a port in Rivers State. But what if I told you that the next seaport in Nigeria could be from the Igbo land, which is from the southeastern part of Nigeria, where over 40 million Igbo people are found? Igbo people in Nigeria have been known to be traders, which are a great contribution to the Nigerian economy. But for a very long time, when these traders import goods from various countries and they want to clear their goods, they have to go to a seaport either in Lagos or Warri, which causes a long period of delay and also delays the socio-economic growth of the people of the southeastern part of Nigeria. The current administration and government has looked into this matter and has decided to create a new seaport in the Igbo land of Nigeria. Yes, the Oguta River Port in Imo State is planned to be revived as a port. Although it is not a seaport itself currently, it is an inland river port that is intended to be connected to the Atlantic Ocean via the dredging of the Orashi River. This project is part of the government's plan to provide the southeastern region of Nigeria with maritime access and boost economic activities. In this video, we'll explore how the southeastern part of Nigeria is getting its first seaport and how this is contributing to the overall growth of the Nigerian economy. If it's your first time on the channel, consider clicking the red subscribe button and turning on the notification icon so you don't miss out on future videos from this particular YouTube channel. Alright, this project is part of the government's plan to provide the southeastern part of Nigeria with maritime access. While the project is in the works, including a pre-dredging survey and a public-private partnership, the full completion is still pending. The status of the project are: number 1, the revival effort. The National Inland Waterways Authority has begun the process of reviving the port, viewing it as a critical to the development of the Southeast and the current administration's agenda. A key component is the dredging of the Orashi River to connect the lake to the Atlantic Ocean, which will allow sea-going vessels to reach the port. The project is planned as a public-private partnership, with the National Inland Waterways Authority open to collaboration with private interests. A free trade zone is also planned for the port area, with registration near completion and construction expected to start in the next few months or years. The project has faced significant challenges and delays, and its full potential is not yet realized, but efforts are being made to overcome hurdles like dilapidated infrastructure and regulatory bottlenecks. There have been also economic benefits. The project is expected to create jobs, boost trade and the economy in the southeast, enhance security and improve revenue for the government. Access to the sea. By connecting the river to the sea, the project aims to open up southeastern Nigeria for international trade, as it will provide a new maritime gateway for the region. They said Oguta Port can handle 35% of Nigeria's maritime activities, according to a recent survey that was carried out by the Punch News. If Oguta Lake were in other places like Kano or Sokoto, by now they would have built one of the best seaports in Africa, Mel Adiegu from Facebook said. And a lot of people have been saying that this area is due for a change in the Nigerian government's part, where the Igbo people have been seen flooding to other locations for a lot of trading activities. Meanwhile, they have one of the best infrastructures for this. The river route in Njaba and Orashi via Oguta Lake to the coast, passing through Awo Omama, Ngbidi, Oguta, Ndoni, Abonema, made Oguta and surrounding towns. Oguta Lake served as a Biafran military maritime base during the Nigerian Civil War. The lake is important to the people of oil-rich Njaba River Basin, including Oguta, Osun, Ngbidi, Nkwese, Akabo, as a source of water, fish, tourism, and an outlet for sewerage. Uhamiri is the goddess of that lake. The wet season is warm, while the dry season is hot, muggy, and partly cloudy in Oguta State. Now, Oguta State is a Linfinger lake formed by the damming of the lower Njaba River with alluvium. It is the largest natural lake in Imo State, southeastern Nigeria, within the equatorial rainforest region of Niger Delta. Oguta Lake's catchment area comprises the drainage area of the Njaba River and a part of the River Niger floodplain in the region south of Nigeria. This is to highlight the economic importance of the Oguta Lake, which is one of Nigeria's top wonders, paving way for economic growth in the country, especially in the southeastern parts of Nigeria. If you watch this video to this point, kindly click the red subscribe button and turn on the notification icon so you don't miss out on future videos from this YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my very next one.